If you trade every day, you probably know this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Easy money season is currently loaded. Easy money season is currently loaded. Hey, listen, I trade the ES futures market. Back in the day, seeing a 20-point move for the entire day was normal. Okay, that was a normal range for the ES E-mini futures market. 20 points for the entire day. That was normal. That's why scalping for 1 point is so popular, because hey, when you only got a 20-point range, grabbing 1 point is pretty good, right? That's a pretty good profit. All right. Then let's just fast forward to about 2019. When I started, I can remember when I started in 2019, a 50-point move was jaw dropping. Like I can remember being like, we moved 50 points today, right? That was jaw dropping. Hey, listen, currently in March of 2025, I am seeing 100-point hours. Let me say that again. I am seeing 100-point hours, not 100-point days, not 100-point weeks. We are seeing moves of 100 points in 1 hour. I will say it again. It is easy money season. And in this video, we are going to explain why. Let's go deeper. I mean, 100-point moves, people. Okay, listen, I'm trying to tell you guys, hey, listen, 100-point moves is serious. I've changed a little bit of my strategy. Okay, I mean, 10 points used to be the target, to be honest with you. 10 points now, that's just where I plan to lock in at. All right, I used to have a target of 20. Hey, listen, I'm going for the whale right now. I got to go for that 100. I got to go for that 100-point win. I normally don't set lofty goals like this, but in the last week, I saw 300-point hours, not days, people. Hours. I mean, I saw prices drop 100 points, and then I see they pull back 100 points in the same day. Are you kidding me? Okay. All right. So listen, you have to be able to see the opportunity that's out there, see what's happening. All right. For people who are trying to pass a funded challenge and you got to make $3 grand and we're having 100-point runs, now is the time. Okay. And if you need help to pass your funded challenge, you may want to grab my free guide, Finally Funded. Just comment, give me the guide below, and I will send that to you. Okay. But you need to understand the times that you live in. Okay. Listen, it's going to be crazy. All right. But it's going to be easy money for traders who have been preparing, for traders who have been practicing, for traders who have been getting their skill set together, for traders who have an awesome strategy like price action trading. Okay. So here's what I'm seeing currently. When I look at the market and I'm seeing 100-point moves, how is this possible? Why is this possible? What's happening? Hey, listen. Donnie Trump is in office and crazy stuff is happening, okay? I'm not shocked by anything he's doing, all right? He's doing exactly what I thought he's doing. He's horrible and handy at the same time, okay? He's horrible and handy at the same time, all right? So let's talk about this handiness. Because he's in office, the crazy stuff that's going on, the market is just crazy, all right? But with this new volatility that the market is offering, I'm so thankful that I am a price action trader, because I'm not doing anything different, all right? But my wins are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. How is that? It's because price action is king. I've been teaching price action ever since I've been on YouTube. 2 years now, headed into 3 years. Price action, price action, price action. That's all I've been trying to get across to people. Hey, price action. And now we're coming into a easy money season. And it is clear why price action is king. All right. I'm taking my same second entries, higher lows, range fades, rally base rallies, drop base drop. But the difference is the market is so volatile. Okay. I'm taking the same exact entry. I'm even using the same exact stop loss. But the trade is going so much further. Like one leg would be like 10 points. I used to try to get one leg. All right, that's 10 points, man. A leg now is like 20 points, 25 points. So I'm doing the same exact thing, but because of the condition of the market right now, The same setups that would make 10 points is making 20 points. You know what I'm saying? The same setups that would make 20 points is making 40 points. All right. So believe me when I say easy money season is loading. And this is the beginning, people. I mean, we got Donnie Trump for 4 more years. All right. So if this is what we could expect that if you're a really good day trader, it's easy money season. And now is the time to make really good money because the markets are going to continue to get volatile. They're probably going to get even more volatile. All right. And so if you're in position, if you understand price action, if you understand the market cycle, if you understand the rule of two, if you understand everything that we teach here on this channel, all right, you are in position, people. I mean, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I can't hardly spit the words out right now. All right. So, you know, I've read this several times that, you know, millionaires are made in tragic times, all right, in depressions, all right, in recessions, okay. Hey, listen, did you see how Donnie Trump switched up them tariffs as soon as the market was crashing the other day? Okay, listen, they care about the market. The market is going to be the last thing to go. So if you want to play with the big boys and if you want to make some money and if you want to make easy money and if you don't know how to trade yet, you need you need to get on this trading game. You need to take this trading game real serious, all right? Because as they're axing jobs and as AI is eliminating positions and as the world is changing, all right, you need to be able to have a way to make some money when you need it, how much you need, at the time you need, and get it to your bank account quick. All of that happens if you create a trading business, all right, and get yourself a trading business model where you can snatch off money daily. You ain't trying to get rich. Just making a living is enough for you. Hey, you need to learn price action trading because it's amazing. Price action in this current market condition, that's equals easy money. All right. So I am not saying trading is easy. All right. Let me say that again. I am not saying day trading is easy. What I am saying is that if you have a profitable trading system like our price action trading system, okay, and we have just remarkable volatility in the markets where we are seeing 100-point moves, multiple 100-point moves in the same day. What I'm saying is now is the time. Okay. Hey, listen, and I try not to tell people how to trade. All right. I just do what I do and I leave other people alone. But if you are a scalper, man, you might want to consider going for a couple more points right now. I'm just saying, snatching 1 point when you could get 100. I'm just saying, but I don't be trying to tell nobody how to trade. Do you, right? If you are profitable, keep doing you. But if you kind of new to the game, I would consider looking at longer term trades right now because 100 points, people, in an hour, come on, man. Where they do that at right now in the ES futures market? That's where they doing that at. I don't even, who knows what the NQ is doing? I don't even want to think about what that's doing. But ES, listen, now is the time to get serious about trading. If you haven't been getting serious about trading, now is the time to get serious about passing that Prop Firm Challenge. And if you've been struggling, hey, grab my free guide, Finally Funded. Maybe there's something in that guide that gets you going, right? Comment below, give me the guide, I'll get that to you right away. But from here, listen, I'm gonna show you how crazy this market has been doing, all right? We're gonna do a chart lesson. We're gonna go over here and just look at all these great opportunities. This is one day, right? This is a Friday, people. Okay, this is last Friday. It was crazy. There's trades everywhere. There's 20-point runs, 30-point runs everywhere. I'm telling you, easy money season is loaded. Let me show it to you. Let's go over to the charts. Okay, guys, so we are on the charts here. Now, this was the start of the day. I had this range boxed up from the previous day, all right? So pretty good range, right? We are staying in it. Couldn't break out the top, push down, tried again, push down again. This was the non-farm payroll report, came out, still couldn't break it. Now, I already had this range boxed up. So after the non-farm payroll report, if you see this beautiful, let me stretch it out. Right here, if you see this beautiful, this was a high, this was a breakout too, right? But it failed, came back in strong. So I'm considering this a high, push down, push up. Here's a lower high. This high is lower than this one. And let me change my, all right. This high here is lower than this one. That's a lower high. Then I need a signal candle, and boy, do I get a beauty. Right off the top of my range, close through the 21 EMA, huge, strong candle. That's a beauty, folks. That's a beauty. You go right here, okay? Now, you take that boy and ride it to the bottom of this range, as you should, and we enter this one at 64.50. And I would have just got out at the bottom of the range, 23.50. That's 41 points, people. Okay. That's 41. Did I do that right? 64. What'd I say? 63.50? Yeah, 63. 40 points. 40 points, right? So this first trade here, let me get my, we might need to mark these up today. Let's do this lesson. Let's do this chart lesson a little bit different. Take this high, lower high right here. We're looking at 40 of them. So let's say, yep. So this entry right here, where we want to put it at? Yep. This one was 40. All right, 40 points. All right. Let's move on. Keep moving. So we get the 40-point drop to here. Right now, again, this was a range. So actually, you could either go right here, or you could wait for this pullback right here. This is actually another low, push up, come back, higher low. We'll just do it like that. You could have went here though. You could have went here just off the bounce. But let's say you take this boy right here. All right, that puts you in at 28.50, and we're gonna ride it to the top. Get out at the top. 68.50. What did I say? 68.28. It's another 40. I guess I already knew that, right? Sorry for wasting your time on that math. I guess we already knew it was gonna be another 40 points. So here's another 40 points for you. This is, man, a good easy money season. Easy money season is loaded. All right, there's another 40 points. They just started. Oh, the 40 points gonna stay. So this ain't gonna work. All right. Sorry, folks, my 40 points ain't gonna stay. But we clearly see if we take this low right here and stay in, it probably gets us though. But then if you go again right here, either way, that's another 40 points, right? So this range alone produced 3 40-point wins, right? We all saw that. Three of them. 3 40-point wins. All right. So now let's back up a little bit. Right here is our first breakout. All right. Unfortunately, we don't get a pullback. It just breaks out. But hold on, let me do it like this so we can see better. But so you don't get to go, you don't really get to pull back a breakout here because it hadn't broken out here. But if you just take this, you good, but a lot of people would have missed that trade, right? But then we get a low. Then what? We got push up, first entry, push up. Now we would wanted this candle to break higher, but it didn't. But man, this is still a second entry short when this candle breaks lower than this body right here. So I'm taking that as a second entry short. And we get in on this one. Yeah, let's just say we get in at 18, right? We get in at 18. I'm riding this boy down to about here. 18 and 4. All right. So that's a nice 14-point run right through here. I know this ain't gonna stay, but I'm just gonna ride it just so I can say I rode it. This drop here was a nice 14-pointer. Man, so we've had what? We've had 3 40-pointers. This is a nice 14-pointer, okay? Now, let me show you something. Let me show you something. At this point, I'm looking for my market cycle at all times. So we got a trend down, a trend break, retest a new low, all right? So I'm always expecting 2 legs. We got 2 legs and a whole lot more on this one. So what I'm saying is once we get the new low in place, I'm actually looking for a reversal because we already got 2 legs down. So with that being the case, I'm actually going to take this low, higher low right here. So show it to you. Here's the low. We push up, we get back above the 21 EMA. Here's a low, push up, here's the higher low right here. I'm going right here. And I think I would have survived that. If not, I would go again right here. I'm telling you, I'm going right here though, because I just feel like the reversal is coming. So even if I get knocked out right here, I'm still going this low, this higher low. I will go again right here. One of those probably will work for you. All right, and if you catch that run, let's see how that will be shaking out. Let's just say we get in above here, above the breakout right there at 57.11. We could ride that boy up to 43. All right, 33 points. All right, so that's a 33-point run right there. And look at the market cycle. Trend up, trend break, retest a new high. We got 2 legs up. All right, guess what? So what am I looking for now? A reversal. A reversal. I got 2 legs back. This market cycle is complete. Now I'm looking to go short. So since I'm looking to go short, we push back down. This is my high. This is the high here. We push back down, came back. This is the lower high. This high here is lower than this one. Do I get a good signal candle? I do. Decent. I go right there. You go right there and you do nothing, people. This is what we're talking about right here. Here we're talking about easy money season. Let's see what that would have done. You take this lower high right here. Let's make it something even. Let's say you get in at 35. You get in right here at 35. Man, you ride this thing down to right here. 77? Are you serious? Hold on a second. I'm gonna do some math here. We got in at 57. We got in at 57.35. And we would have rolled it down to, I'm just gonna say 78. Minus 56.78. 57 points, people. This, you go right here and sit on your hands. 57 points. Okay. This is the new day. This is the new day right here. 57 points. This drop right here. 57 points there. What time did this drop start at? This drop would have started at 10:50. 10:50 to 11:50, people. 1 hour. 1 hour. We dropped 57 points. This used to be a day, okay? You understand what I'm saying? This used to be a day. And if you're struggling to pass a prop firm challenge and there's 57-point moves out here in 1 hour, you need to grab my guide. Grab my guide, finally fund it. Maybe I say something there to put you on the right track. Because with 57 points and an hour move, all right, these funded challenges, we should start passing these funded challenges a little bit more too. All right, let's keep it pushing. So that was a 57-point move, right? That was a 57-point move. So after that move is over, you might not catch this. You might not catch this because you don't know what's happening yet. So what we have though is a trend down. We got a trend break, and look, 2 attempts to go lower. 2 attempts to go lower. So guess what? That means we can't go lower. So if we go high, oh man, excuse me, that means we can't go lower. So after 2 attempts to go lower, I'm looking for a reversal. And look at this beauty right here. Oh man, so beautiful. We got a low, push up, higher low. This low is higher than this one. We got a nice signal candle, we got rejection on the candle, pushed up, almost close above the 21 EMA. I'm going right there. Bam, go right there. Now folks, Do you guys see what this market did? So let's see what this number is. If we go right here, let's just call it 5680. We go at 5680 and ride this boy up, up, up. The high that I would have got knocked out at would have been 5786. And I would have got in at 5680. People, friends, family, haters, that is 106 points. Okay. That was 106 point move, people. That was a 106 point move. What time of day did that happen? Out of curiosity. I would have entered this trade at 12:21. And by by 2:24, I would have been up 2 hours and 24 minutes to make 106 points. That is what I'm trying to tell you people. And of course, there was plenty of other trades through here. There's plenty of other price action trades. There's some second entries. There's some breakouts. Here's a second entry right here. Here's another high. Here's another low, higher low. So there's more trades, in there that goes into our price action trading. But I just wanted to point out what the market is doing right now. Okay. Hopefully you have a great strategy to take advantage of it. But in this chart lesson today, I just wanted to show you how it is easy money season. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed that chart lesson. I hope you can see, I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down today. All right. Easy money season is loading and we are just in the beginning of it. All right. We don't know what this year is going to bring. What I can see so far is it's going to be very volatile, which is going to offer the traders with the right trading system some awesome trading days ahead. All right. So I hope you're locked and loaded. I hope you got what you need. If you need to learn how to trade price action trading, check the link in the description. I will help you out with that. And if you just want to learn more about trading the ES futures market, check this video out right here. It'll put you up on some more game. All right. Until next time, my name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.